Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am doing an evening clean with me. So I'm going to start out by lighting my new candle that I got from Marshall's, and it is in an apple cinnamon scent. And then I'm going to jump right into cleaning my kitchen. So right here I'm giving you an overview of my kitchen. We were gone for the long weekend and then had a kind of busy week, so everything is in shambles. My kitchen is definitely the worst of it, and there's stuff all over, as well as blankets and a cute little dog in my living room. I'm just going to take off as much stuff as I can from the counter and throw some stuff away, as well as throw my shoes into my laundry room. And then I'm just going to put away, throw away, basically anything I can. Then I'm going to unload my dishwasher. These have been cleaned for probably 2 or 3 days and just didn't get put away, so now's the time to do that. Now it's time to wash and reload all of the dishes, because we like to use a lot of dishes when we eat, even though there's only 2 of us in the house. So I'm just going to rinse off and lay out some of the bigger things and then put the rest of the dishes into the dishwasher. Then I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle spray to wipe down my counters. I haven't gotten the apple cider scent yet, but I'm dying to get it. So I'm just using up all of my honeysuckle and wiping down my counters. Okay, my kitchen is pretty much as good as it's gonna get. So then I'm gonna go into the living room and fold the blankets and kind of tidy up a little bit, with the lovely help of Duke giving me his toys and trying to bite the blankets. Now it's Duke's least favorite, but also kind of his most favorite part. He loves watching the vacuum but doesn't like to be anywhere near it, so he sits up in the corner of our couch and just stares at me. Also, I'm thinking of getting the Dyson V7 Motorhead in the cordless version, so if you like that vacuum, please let me know because I really want to get it. But now I'm moving on to doing some laundry, so I'm going to do a load of laundry and I'm using my Tide and Downy mix, and then I'm just going to throw in the rest of the random clothes that need to get washed. Then I had a quick change of pants because this is actually 30 minutes later. Riley came home, we ate some dinner, and I really needed to change out of my jeans. So obviously this is a live clean with me. Riley came home and started playing some Madden, so him and Duke used one of the blankets and we're snuggling on the couch. Now I'm drying some of the Tupperware and the pans that I left out just to make sure there's no watermarks, and I'm going to put those away. Then I'm going to jump into sweeping. Duke loves this food, but he always leaves a little trail of his fish oil bites, so I have to sweep those up pretty much every day. And then I'm going to go in with my Swiffer sweeper, and I'm going to use one of the mop pads and mop up my floor. Okay, and here's the final overview. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, thumbs up this video so I know to do more clean with me's. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Without having no soul.